1 cup of rice. Wash it. Wash it several times. Rinse it. Put your fingers in it. Wash it off like that. Pull the water off of it. And then do it again. Wash your rice. This is how I make my yellow rice. I wash that rice. This is how I make my yellow rice. I wash that rice several times, and I put some chicken bouillon in it. Garlic. Turmeric. Ginger. Some parsley flakes. And let the water come to a boil. Just mix that around in there. Make sure it gets through all the rice before it starts to boil. Make sure your water is flavored. Then the rice will turn the color of this water. Oh yeah, don't forget the salt and pepper, y'all. Put some salt in it. You got to have some salt in your rice to flavor your rice. Salt and pepper. And then stir it up. Then let it boil. Come to a boil, and we're going to cover it and simmer it. But I'll let you see me do that after it comes to a boil. Now you bring your water to a boil. Cut it down or cut it off. And let your top go on it. And then it should rise to the top and everything should be done. Myself, I just like to cut it down into a simmer. A very low flame after boil. And let's just let it cook slow. The secret to cooking yellow rice or brown rice is the flavor you put in the water. This is Val with This Is How You Do It. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, hit that everything button. And I will see all you beautiful, beautiful people on the next video. Bye now.